This is your extended weather special, and we begin this Monday morning with a major alert situation unfolding across Ontario, where widespread fog advisories and freezing drizzle warnings are creating dangerous travel conditions right now. Drivers across southwestern, central, and parts of northern Ontario are waking up to reduced visibility, icy patches on untreated roads, and rapidly changing conditions. Areas such as Blind River, Brantford, Kitchener, London, Sarnia, Windsor, and surrounding counties are under yellow warnings, mainly for fog and freezing drizzle. In these locations, visibility can suddenly drop to near zero, and thin ice can form on bridges, overpasses, and sidewalks. This type of weather is especially dangerous because freezing drizzle can be almost invisible. Roads may look wet, but temperatures near or below freezing allow a thin glaze of ice to form. That means vehicles may lose traction quickly, and stopping distances can double or triple. Commuters are urged to slow down, leave extra space, and avoid sudden braking. As we move through the morning, temperatures across southern Ontario are hovering near the freezing mark, which is exactly the setup needed for freezing drizzle. Moist air trapped near the surface is condensing into fog, while weak disturbances moving overhead are squeezing out light precipitation. Even small amounts can cause big problems. Travel along major highways like the 401 corridor may be affected, especially in fog-prone regions near lakes and low-lying areas. School buses and morning commuters should allow extra travel time. If visibility drops suddenly, slow down gradually and turn on low-beam headlights. Farther north in Ontario, similar conditions are possible where temperatures remain slightly colder. Freezing drizzle warnings are posted near Sault Ste. Marie and areas along Lake Superior. These regions often see quick icing events when moist air flows over cold ground. Now beyond Ontario, warnings are also active across other provinces. Across Quebec, snow squall watches continue in several northern and central communities. These squalls can produce sudden heavy snowfall, strong winds, and near whiteout conditions. Even if snowfall totals are small, the intensity of snow squalls can cause highway closures in minutes. Moving west, colder air dominates the prairies. Extreme cold alerts remain in parts of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. Overnight wind chills have plunged well below -30 and in some northern communities even colder. Residents there are being warned about frostbite risk within minutes if skin is exposed. A developing system in Western Canada could also bring snow later this week, especially across Alberta and Saskatchewan. That means blowing snow and reduced visibility could return after the extreme cold begins to ease. Along the west coast in British Columbia, unsettled conditions continue. Coastal areas are dealing with rain showers, while mountain regions are seeing snowfall. Interior valleys may see icy roads overnight where temperatures drop below freezing. In the far north across the Northwest Territories and Nunavut, cold warnings remain in place as Arctic air continues to dominate. Temperatures there are dangerously low, and wind chills can be life-threatening. Back to Ontario, conditions are expected to slowly improve later today as temperatures rise slightly and winds mix out the fog. But tonight into Tuesday, another weak disturbance could bring additional drizzle or light snow to parts of southern Ontario. That means icy spots could redevelop after sunset. Looking ahead to midweek, a larger storm system may track near the Great Lakes. Depending on its path, parts of Ontario could see snow, freezing rain, or rain. The exact track will determine where the freezing rain line sets up, and that could impact travel significantly. For now, the biggest concern is Monday morning travel. Here are safety tips being shared by officials. Slow down and increase following distance. Use low-beam headlights in fog. Avoid cruise control on icy roads. Watch for black ice on bridges and ramps. Check local road conditions before traveling. Officials from Environment Canada are reminding residents that even yellow warnings should be taken seriously. Many accidents happen during minor-looking weather events like fog and light freezing drizzle. If you must travel, carry winter supplies in your vehicle including warm clothing, water, snacks, and a charged phone. Let someone know your route and expected arrival time. For pedestrians, sidewalks and parking lots may be icy even if they look wet. Wear shoes with good traction and use handrails when available. Air travel may also be affected this morning, especially at major airports such as Toronto Pearson and Ottawa where fog can cause delays. In summary, This Monday morning is off to a hazardous start across Ontario with fog and freezing drizzle warnings, while other provinces deal with snow squalls, extreme cold, and unsettled weather. Conditions will improve gradually today, but more winter weather could return later this week. Stay with us for continuous updates as we track every warning across Canada and keep you informed about changing weather conditions.